How to link skin card to Scotiabank. Open your web browser and log in to your Scotia online banking account. If you haven't set up online banking, you may need to do this. After logging in, look for an option that specifically mentions Skin Reward. In the Skin Reward section, there should be an option to link or add your skin card. Click on this option. Enter the required information for your skin card like card number and ID number. Then verify the information and confirm the linking of your skin card to a Scotiabank. Wait for a confirmation. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.